Hey, it's Canon Vickery here, and today I'm going to be doing Packet Tracer. Let's see, this is 5.1.3.6, configuring a router on a stick. So with the router on a stick configuration, um, what it allows is two computers on different VLANs, like on the same switch. It allows them to communicate. So like if we do a little, try and send a PDU across from ping 1 to PC3, in progress failed. It won't work. What'll happen is we'll switch to simulation mode here to here, forward, 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 and then it'll just fail. Like it just can't ping across. It doesn't work. So we're gonna go back to real time here, and like it can't. They're on two separate networks, and there's no router to help them talk. So the very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna switch to switch one, go to CLI, and we're gonna make a VLAN 10. Here, VLAN 10 and a VLAN 30. So we're gonna do int. I did the wrong command. Control. Oh, I can't remember what the command is to get it to stop. Control Z. Nope. Fast forward. Made a mistake there. All right. En. Then we're gonna do conft. No IP domain. No IP domain. Lookup. Alright, now that won't be a problem anymore. Alright, VLAN 10. We're going to create a VLAN 10, and now we're going to create a VLAN 30. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to interface. We're going to set up the, we're going to assign PC1 and PC3 to those VLANs. So when you get an interface, FA 0/11, if you look over here between switch 1 and PC1, that's the interface we need to be in. We're going to do switch port, mode, access. Now, switch port, access, VLAN 10. So now that port can access VLAN 10. And now we're going to do interface. We want to do 6 to get to PC2. See here. Oh, PC3. My bad. PC3. Do switch port mode access, and the switch port mode access VLAN 30. By the way, I'm hitting the up button to go through my previous commands. I'm just using those. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go end. We're going to do show VLAN brief. So if we look here, you can see these are the two VLANs we just created. So that's good. Good that they're there. So now if we try and send another ping between PC1 and PC3, same problem, it still fails. And the reason why that is because the two VLANs are on separate networks. So we have them in VLANs now, but they're still on separate networks. So what we want to do now is we're going to start configuring the router. And we're going to do sub interfaces here. So we're going to do en conft no IP domain look hit the right button. Look up. Alright. Now we're going to do int g0/0.10. So we're in interface 0.000, so you can see it there. And we're in sub interface .10. And this is going to be for the VLAN 10. So we're going to do encapsulation dot 1q dot 1q 10. IP address 172.17.10.1, and for some reason none of my dots went in. Dot 17.10.1 255.255.255.0. That's my subnet mask. So now we want to go to interface 0/0 and the sub interface of 30. We can do the encapsulation command. Oh, yep, encapsulation we do 30. 1Q30, my bad. And then IP address of 172.17.30.1 255.255.255. So now make sure this is still right. Yep, okay. So now we're going to go interface. We're going to make sure that that interface is on. So we're going to go int g 0/0 no shut. See here, it changed it to up. Yeah, everything's been changed to up. That's what we want. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to test connectivity again. Fast forward a little bit. And it should still fail. Good. Okay, so it still fails. Let's see. Now we're going to test out, we're going to go to S1. Now what we're going to do is set up trunking. So if we look here, we can do show VLAN brief. And if you look here, we have our gigabit port 0/1, and it's under VLAN 1. It's the default one. So what we're going to do is we're going to set that one up for trunking. So from here, we're going to do conft int g 0/1. So we're in that interface now. Do switch port mode trunk. I'm going to change that. So now we're going to go exit. Actually, we're going to just do end show VLAN brief. And that interface is gone now. It was right here, now it's gone. Now we're going to do show int trunk, I believe is the command. And right here, port gigabit 0/1, VLANs allowed and active is 1, 10, and 30. Good, that's what we want to see. So now, as we try and ping across, 1 to here, from here to here, successful, that's good. And just, that's a quick little thing so you can see here, desktop, command prompt, ping, 172.17.30, 30.1. Alright, and there's the replies. Alright, that's everything for this packet tracer. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below.